Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been around for centuries, practiced by cultures all over the world, but is now getting a lot of attention for its amazing health benefits: fasting. Now, when I say fasting, don't picture starvation or anything extreme. We're talking about taking intentional breaks from eating, allowing your body to shift from constantly digesting to focusing on something truly incredible: natural healing and repair. Think of your body as a busy factory. When you're constantly sending in new raw materials, food, the factory's main job is to process those materials. But what happens if you give the factory a break? It can then shift its focus to maintenance, cleaning up, and repairing any worn-out parts. That's essentially what happens with your body during a fast. One of the coolest things that happens during fasting is a process called autophagy. This is a super fancy word that literally means self-eating. But don't worry, it's a good thing. During autophagy, your body goes through a natural cleanup process. It identifies old, damaged cells and cellular components and recycles them, making way for new, healthier cells. It's like your body's built-in waste removal and recycling program, and it's ramped up when you're in a fasted state. This can contribute to cellular rejuvenation and potentially even slow down aspects of aging. Beyond cellular cleanup, fasting can also give your digestive system a much-needed rest. Our guts work tirelessly, constantly breaking down food. Taking a break allows your digestive organs to reset, potentially reducing inflammation and giving your gut lining a chance to repair itself. Many people report improved digestion and less bloating after incorporating fasting into their routine. Fasting can also help with blood sugar management. When you're not constantly eating, your body's insulin levels decrease, which can improve insulin sensitivity over time. This is really beneficial for overall metabolic health and can help your body become more efficient at burning fat for energy instead of relying solely on sugar. When your body gets better at using its stored fat, it's a win-win. Another benefit is reduced inflammation. Many chronic health issues are linked to ongoing inflammation in the body. Fasting has been shown to reduce inflammatory markers, potentially easing symptoms for various conditions and promoting a more balanced state within your body. So, how do you incorporate fasting? There are many ways, from simply extending your overnight fast, like skipping breakfast and eating your first meal later in the day, often called intermittent fasting, to longer, supervised fasts. It's crucial to stay hydrated with water during any fast. And always listen to your body. If you're new to this, it's a great idea to chat with a healthcare professional to ensure it's suitable for you, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Fasting is a powerful, natural tool that can support your body's inherent ability to heal, repair, and thrive. It's about giving your system a chance to do what it does best: rejuvenate itself.